Hello, my name is Bob Klein. I'm an academic advisor here at Bowling Green State University. I work in the College of Arts and Sciences. Today, I'm going to help you understand how to use your degree audit system, or Dars for short. The first step to finding your degree audit is to log into your MyBGSU portal. After you log in, you'll want to go to your Student Center. In your Student Center, off to the right, is a quick link for the degree audit. When you click on the degree audit, a separate window will pop up. The degree audit is defaulted to your major that you have declared. If you click Run Audit, you will run the most recent version of your degree audit. The degree audit is an electronic version of your degree requirements. After your audit runs, click on the first audit that appears at the results page. The audit will list your degree requirements in order: university requirements, College of Arts and Sciences requirements, your major, and a minor. Most arts and sciences degrees require a minor, or a support field, or a career focus. That is the order of the degree audit. If you click on Open All Sections, you can see in detail your progress towards your degree requirements, as well as your options to complete those requirements. For some requirements, you'll see a Not From list. Those are the courses not approved to meet those degree requirements. Most of the requirements, however, you will see the list of approved courses, or for your major, the exact requirements you need to fulfill your degree requirements. So let's walk through your degree audit. It lists your university requirements, as I mentioned earlier. The university degree requirements: 122 hours minimum, 40 hours at the 3000, 4000 level. That's any course numbered 3000 or 4000 here at the university. And a 2.0 minimum GPA, 30 hours completed at BGSU, as well as our university level requirement for general education we call BG Perspective. For the arts and sciences requirements, it will list the foreign language requirement for the College of Arts and Sciences, as well as the arts and sciences lab requirement and the multidisciplinary component. The multidisciplinary component, we call it MDC for short, expands on the liberal arts education from your BG perspective and enables students to explore different topics from different perspectives to help develop different habits of minds during your time here at BGSU. Your major, they will list the courses that are required for that specific major, as well as the minor, same logic, the courses required for your minor requirements. If you have questions about your degree audit, please feel free to contact your academic advisors. They will be able to help you understand how to utilize this fabulous resource so that you ensure timely graduation during your time here at BGSU. Thank you.